We are going to create a responsive layout with the help of Grid. Here in this folder, I have first index.html, style.css, and here this is the layout that we are going to actually work for the entire video. Here this is the basic layout for laptop that I have created. This is for tab and this is for phone. So we are going to achieve this thing with the help of Grid, and many of you don't know what is the meaning of Grid. So Grid is a platform that allow you to create more responsive layout of web page without any error. So here in the index.html I have written all the basic syntax, and in the head I have created my web page more responsive. Here I have given the title responsive grid layout. After it I have linked my CSS file. So coming back to the CSS file, here I have imported Google font. In the body section, margin 0, padding 0, font family is sans serif, and font size is 20 pixel. Here in the body section, we are committing that content starts here and ends here. It's not and I have written. So here I have written that laptop layout. For this, as you can see, our main thing here, first we have header section, then menu, then hero, then main, then image, and then bearer. So we are going to create this thing that first is the header section. So copy this thing and paste it here, and similarly all the things that I have described in the image, and I have also provided the link in the description of this tutorial, and you can join it. Or if there has been a bug or any error, then please comment it down, because I have also been beginner. I don't know where I am mistaking, so if you tell me, then it will be a more easier way to communicate with each other. So here I have written all the things that I have mentioned in the image. So as you can see, this thing I have to close extra tab. Here in this, these are the things that we have created till now. Here I am giving the width 100 percentile, means according to the width. Here I am giving height is equal to 100 vh, means viewport height. And here after it, viewport height, I am giving box sizing is border box, so that any content do not overflow from left right side. So sorry for that. Here I am giving the display grid. We are going to achieve this layout with the help of grid. As you can see this image, we have column 4, because they have been, the middle section has been too long, so we have to divide it into two section. So as you can see, I have written the columns according to the desired. Here in this, these are the basic that we have created till now. Here in this, after this, we are also going to mention for the rows also. So as you can see, there have been 4 rows. First one is small and second one is too larger than the first as we compare, and then the next one is for 1 FR, you can say. So here in this I am putting all the things once together, because I think that there have been mistake done by me. So I am giving the grid time column 1 FR, means equal height, and here I am giving the rows of 0.FR, means first one is small, second one is too large, so 1.5, and third one is medium, so we can put 1 FR. Then last one is small, so 0.5. After saving, as you can see this preview, this is the basic grid that we have created till now. And here in this, we are going to add the grid area, where we are going to store all the mapping of our web page. Here in this, before getting started, please like this video and please subscribe if you do find this video somewhat helpful to you. So here in this, I have written the layout. So I copy this, and in the CSS, now commit it, not single one, the whole paragraph we have to commit it. Here in this, you have to copy this header section, and in this header you have to shift it here, and here we are going to style this header, and copy similarly all the things that we have. So like menu, hero. Now after the hero, in this hero blank, then we are going to style the main. Then after that we have images, so copy this thing, and here before writing put a hash, because it is id, and we there is another id name, that is hash banner, where we are going to create a banner for our ads, or you can say you are promoting your another business. So here I am giving the background property, double it, and with the alt arrow we are going to we are just moving the things here in the Chrome. In the new tab you have to search for flat UI color. So this is the website that you will phase off. This allow the multiple color to pick up. You do not have to take a stress while selecting any color. So put and copy and paste, just simple and simple funda. And here in this you have pasted the jelly color. So here after pasting just copy the other color also, and so that I am making it so that our web page that we are going to create will look more attractive, or you can say already there have been content. So here in this menu there have been error because in the menu there have been a margin or padding, you can say. So we are going to create margin 0, padding 0, so that it enter like cover the section. So now after this I am giving the grid area. So here in this we have grid area. So this is grid area. I have forgotten that it actually works. So here this name I have given it for header. Now similarly we have to give this grid area name to everything that we have created in the content. So I am doubling it, and with the alt arrow I am pasting it in the each section. So here in this banner just paste it. We are going to call this thing with the help there by their grid area name. So as I have copied this main, so it means that when I require this, just I have to write the main, and as similarly as all the things. So here after this let's save it. As you can see there have been no preview, but we are going to create this thing. So here I have put in the header. After that we have menu, because if you remember our layout in the first, we have header at the corner and 3 of the ratio were menu. So as you can see, now after that we are going to write the hero, because after that hero will cover all the entire column and a single row. So I have created it 4 times, and after saving it there have been no preview. So here there have been 3 section for main and 1 section for image. So copy the main section. Here in this just you have to paste it 3 times, and last one will be the image that I have written. After saving it there will be no preview in the Chrome browser, because at the last we have also to write that one, only this will appear. So after writing the banner 4 times, after saving that, as you can see there have been no preview, but there have been a white color layout. Now there have been error done by me that I have not put in the grid area template. So as you can see there have been a suggestion of areas. So after saving, as you can see this is the layout that we are creating till now. Now I am going to create some styling so that it will look more attractive than the other unusual. So I have given padding 20 pixel from all side, text align is center, and here I have given color is grain or white. You can select any smoky color according to your desire. Here I have given the font size is 2.2 em. 1 em is equal to 16 pixels. So as you can see, you can calculate, you are enough intelligent to calculate this thing. Here I have given the text align center. So text transform is capitalized, sorry, from my side. Here I have given, so as you can see this thing look very nice, but this thing that we have created till now is not responsive, because when I am shrinking the size, then there have been no changes in related to the design. So for this we are going to create a media query using the @media. Here I am giving the max width of tab laptop. Tab means it is 786 pixel wide screen. So here in this body, as you can see, I am giving the display grid. Here after this I am creating the grid templates column. So here this is the layout. We require 2 column, which is 0.5 and 1 fr. So here in this I have 0.5 fr and 1 fr. you will resolve these queries with the help of inspecting the elements in the Chrome. Just first you code, and if there has been error, then find it by the help of inspect element in the Chrome browser. So as you can see, now I have 5 columns, so I will write that 0.5 first our header, then main content will be 1 fr, then 1 fr, then 0.5 fr. So after saving it, now after this I am giving the grid templates area. So here in this we are going to create the basic layout. So I have written the codes, I have not written anything. So here in this, as you can see, I can also copy this thing while taking so much long time. So here just copy and paste. After it, just cut this part, because in the first we have header twice, we have 2 columns, so we have to write the twice, and we have mentioned 5 rows, so we have to make 5 rows, then only this basic layout will work. So here in this I have cut the main and I have written the menu, and here in this there have been menu and main. So if you have taken a screenshot of the layout, then you will be able to resolve how this thing has been working. So here in this banner I have copied it down, uh, just cut it. Here in this we have to light the image, because menu will come in the 3 section. Here I am giving the, sorry for that, I just cut this part. Here in this give banner, and after doubling it just give image. That is the basic layout that we are going to create. Here cut this semicolon because this is giving the error. After saving it, as you can see, there have been no preview. Now if we shrink the width of this, then there have been change in the layout. So this is the layout that we have created in the starting. So now we are going to change it also for the mobile, because mobile also require, you can say there have been some less content visible in the mobile. So for in the mobile I have given the max width from my side 440 pixel, let's say 440 pixel or 520 pixel. So here in this, as you can see, there have been single column and 6 rows. So we are going to achieve this. Here in this, just cut this fast because there have been single column. Here in this row we have 6 row. So first one is small 0.5 fr and 0.5 fr again. Then there have been a main content of twice 1 fr, and there have been 2 small content. So here in this, just cut this part, because first we have only the header, then after that we have menu. Cut this part main. After saving it, then after it we have hero, then after it we have main, then after it we have, just cut this part, and after saving it, and here in this menu cut again. So after saving it, as you can see, when I refresh it, then shrinking in, then there have been the change in the layout. So this is the thing that we are going to create, and we have achieved it. If you unless practice it, then it will not come. Please practice. I have also worked hard for this video, and you also work hard from your side so that it will come easily. So here this is the layout that we have created. While I am shrinking my screen, as you can see, there have been change in the layout, but it has not been coming for the mobile. So thanks for watching my video. If you have been till the end, then please remember my words, please practice it. Unless you do not practice, then it will not come. It is not a cup of tea.